Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Huntington's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Huntington's account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Huntington login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of Huntington. Now, to log into your account, enter your username and password associated with your Huntington account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password or username, tap on Forgot username or password. This is how you can log into your Huntington's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.